Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find referral code in Bitget. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Bitget application. After opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you will see rewards, referral, copy, launch pool, and more. Simply click on the referral icon and it is going to take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the activate now button. When you click on this button, it is going to show you this invite now button. Simply click here and you will see some options appearing. Save, copy, Telegram, WhatsApp and Insights. You can choose among any one of these platforms to share the link to. Now, you can simply see the referral code just right here. You can copy this code, note it down, or just simply click on this copy link and the referral code will be copied on your clipboard. Now you can navigate to any chat that you want to share this to, go to messages, paste the code here, and as you can see, I'm successfully able to invite this person on Bitget using my referral code. Also, you will see your referral code appearing just right here. So that's a simple way to find referral code in Bitget. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.